Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by powering the vehicle to accessory or on so the infotainment system is active. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and leave it discoverable. This is necessary so the sync system can find your device. If your phone was previously paired to another car, make sure to forget that connection to avoid conflicts. Once done, select Phone or Bluetooth on the car screen. This immediately starts the search step and gets both devices ready to exchange pairing codes. Once the car lists nearby devices, you tap your phone's name to initiate the secure link. Make sure the numeric passkey shown on the sync screen matches the code on your phone. Matching confirms you're connecting to the correct device. After verifying, accept or confirm the pairing on both phone and car. When prompted, allow access to contacts and messages so hands-free calling and SMS features work. If you want media audio, also enable Bluetooth audio streaming or phone audio. You finish by waiting for the system to display phone connected, then immediately test with a call or play music to confirm audio routing. If it doesn't connect, try simple fixes first. Toggle Bluetooth on the phone, reboot the phone, or turn the car off and on to restart sync. Make sure software updates for phone and sync are installed. As a last resort, reset the sync system or clear the car's paired device list because that removes corrupted pairings and lets you start fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.